You probably didn't know there was a novel written in 1949 which just didn't tell the story. It quietly explained how freedom disappears. Not in one big event, not with explosives, not overnight, but with 5 simple steps. The book is 1984, written by George Orwell. And what makes it scary is how familiar these steps feel. First, the government watches everything. Every home has a screen, every movement is monitored, and every expression is noticed. And there is one sentence everywhere: Big Brother is watching you. Because control doesn't start with punishment. It starts when people begin to feel they are always being watched. And when people start policing themselves, the system barely needs to try. Second, the government controls the past. Newspapers are rewritten, books are edited, old documents are destroyed. One powerful line explains why. One who controls the past controls the future, and one who controls the present controls the past. If people cannot prove yesterday, they cannot question today. Third, language is being reduced. Words like freedom, rebellion, future, justice, truth, they are slowly removed. Because when a word disappears, thought becomes harder to think. When you control vocabulary, you control the mind. Fourth, people are trained to reject their own eyes. If the party says 2 plus 2 is 5, then it must be 5.
And so we agree, completely and undeniably, that 2 plus 2 equals 5.
Not because it makes sense, but because obedience becomes more important than truth. And that's why the slogans. War is peace, freedom is slavery, ignorance is strength. When contradictions become normal, thinking becomes dangerous. And finally, people aren't just forced to obey. They are broken until they truly love the ruler. Because ultimate power is not making people follow you. Ultimate power is making people believe that they chose you. That's why this book still matters, because freedom doesn't disappear dramatically. It disappears quietly. When truth is edited, language is reduced, when fear feels normal, and questioning becomes risky. So stay aware, stay thinking, stay calm enough to see clearly. And if stories like this make you think deeper, then subscribe to my channel, because the next one might change the way you see the world.